In this series, we're going to take a look at automated testing in Java using this technology here. So we have JUnit, and we can use this to create automated tests that can run as part of some build pipeline somewhere. So let's take a look at what we'll cover. We have some simple unit tests. In this case, it's simply going to test a single piece of functionality. We've got some tests that have to do with our layers. And this is a simple console application. We're not concerned with any framework or anything. But the concepts and things that we'll discuss here can be applied to any framework, whether you're using Quarkus or Spring, it doesn't really matter. Let's take a quick look at the application, the demonstration application. It is following a layered approach, something that you'll probably use in a Spring Boot or a Quarkus application. So I have my models, and there's an account and a trade. So from this, you can probably tell that this is going to be an application used for online trading. So opening up trades, closing trades, and then also keeping track of some profit and loss value. Let's see here. This one, it's making use of MariaDB as a database. And I have some SQL in here. And then we have these layers here. So the repository layer takes care of database interaction. The service layer takes care of the business logic. And then there's also a few other things in here, like this class here to calculate profit and loss from some list of closed trades. These are all made for the demonstration, which we'll cover in this test directory. Our focus will be here. So let's take a look at these automated testing techniques.